Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. So everyone, all of you fans of Mrs. Poor Man, I'm sorry, but she hasn't quite made it back in time for this particular video, so you're stuck with me yet again. This week, we wanted to do something a little bit different. I say we all the time because it's always been me and her, but I did do this on my own. But we discussed this before she went on her vacation. So anyhow, we have done a lot of things that are a little bit larger with the M1, and we wanted to kind of challenge ourselves and see what we can do that was a little bit smaller. And we came up with the idea of let's try and do some earrings. I have some awesome koa wood that's spare, and so we're going to show how we took some koa wood, sliced it down into wedges that we could use to make earrings from. And I kind of like how these things came out. So the M1 has proven to be very versatile as always, so let me show you what I did.
Tomorrow.
Well, as you can see, once again, the M1 has proven to be an awesome tool that we really enjoy using. By making these wonderful earrings, I think I've got a few people who've already said that they'd like a pair of them, so we're going to go ahead and distribute them around. Now, for next week, the truth is this video might actually be much later, and I might have to do some videos with Mrs. Poor Man before this. There's a couple things. I'm kind of under a contractual agreement to get a video out for a special product that we're going to show here hopefully next week, or when this is filmed it'll be last week. Something like that. And anyhow, there's also another item that I wasn't planning on as a video, but I've come into a lot of issues recently, and I'm concerned that there's going to be some other YouTubers in particular that are getting hit with scams, or they may not realize they're being hit with scams. I'm getting so many of these things now. They're coming up more and more frequently. So I wanted to take some time to explain and kind of warn some fellow YouTubers, but the same principles can be used for everyday users to avoid being scammed. So I do want to do something special on that. I'm not sure, again, which order these are going to be shown, but we'll get them to you and we'll figure it out. And so until we meet again, bye-bye.